Hi, I'm just making a short film to show you how to replace the new frames. The springs or the metal rods are like the spring rods you have in toilet paper holder. It's a springy thing, and you can hold here with your nails. So that's what I do. I take the old one. I can use this, so I press it a little bit and then remove it. And I take the second one. Again, I can use this. See, I'm just pressing it downwards. Then I'm going to take the new springs, put one in this. That's the new frame. Put it in here. And then I use my nail and I press it. See, sorry, it's in here. See, it's in the hole, the groove. Then I press it here. That's it. It's inside. Now I switch it here, and I take spring, insert, hold it with my nails, and press it. If it's not working, try the other way around. Usually it does. There it is inside.